We all love using Trello, but are you using it to its full potential? Get ready for a list of my top 5 Trello shortcuts. I'm Lee Stoker and I help people become more productive in their workday. Now, Trello is always near the top when it comes to the best project and task managers, and with pretty good reason. It's intuitive to use, it's excellent when working with a team, and best of all, it's free, baby. But like any software program, the more familiar you are with its features, the more productive you become. So without further ado, here are my top 5 keyboard shortcuts in Trello. Oh, and don't forget to stick around to the end for my favourite Trello trick that most people just don't know about. Now this one might seem a little meta, but my top shortcut is how to show all of your shortcuts. You simply need to be viewing a Trello board and press Shift and the question mark key, and it will pop up with a box showing you all the shortcuts. Pretty cool, hey? Now this one is probably my most used shortcut. To archive a card, you can either click on the card and go down to the archive button, or when you're hovering over a card, you can click the pencil button and then select archive. These are great, but by far the easiest way to archive a card is to simply hover the card with your mouse and hit the C button. Easy peasy. This one is a really obvious one when you know it's there, but heaps of people still don't use it. When you have a card open, you can either click on the background to close the card off, or if you're on the keyboard and it's a pain to go to the mouse, you can simply hit the escape key. Now, labels in Trello are something that can totally change the way you utilize the software. The cards and columns make for a really easy to visualize management system, but adding labels adds another dimension that can really elevate your workflow. When you're hovering over a card with your mouse, you only have to hit the L key and your shortcut for the labels pops right up. Then you simply click the labels you want to add to your card. While the visualization of the project is easily the leading feature of Trello, the fact that you can archive cards after you've completed them is also another pretty good feature. But what's even better is that you can then search all the cards that you've archived, including all the text. It makes it super easy to see what you've already worked on in the past, or say you have a project card that you completed and you need to refer to it quickly. It's a true lifesaver. So when you're in the board, you can simply hit the / key on the keyboard and it will jump up to your search box just like that. So if you've made it this far, you're probably wondering what this amazing Trello tip is. Well, I have to tell you, it's actually not in Trello at all. The feature is called Email to Board, and you guessed it, it can work with every single email client in the universe. It works like this. To set it up, you go into your Show menu button in the top right corner of the board, click More, then click Email to Board Settings. Here you will see a Trello generated email address that you can forward emails to for actioning. Pretty cool, hey? You can also set where the card appears, in what list, and what order after you've emailed it to the board. That's not all though, it will also include any attachments you have in the email and the contents of the email. So there you have it, 5 keyboard shortcuts and 1 tool tip for using the greatest of all project managers in history. Now, do you have any tips in Trello that you have? Please comment below to tell us all about it. Also, if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you can get a sweet notification when another video is dropped. That's all we've got time for now, so take care and I'll see you in the next one.